Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into NerdWallet Credit Score monitoring, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.nerdwallet.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the website. On the NerdWallet homepage, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Credit Score section on your dashboard. Click on Credit Score Monitoring to access your report. You may be prompted to verify your identity through additional security steps. Follow the instructions to complete any verification process. Once verified, you can view your credit score details. Review your credit monitoring information and updates regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.